Alright, so let's get into the first example. It says the Madison County tax assessor determined that the market value of Cortland Farm is $340,000. The rate of assessment in the county is 40% of market value, and the tax rate is 50.73 mils. So the first thing we want to do, and as you can see, this is going to be a three-step problem, is to calculate the assessed value. Okay, and if we remember, if we go up, assessed value is the dollar value a tax assessor assigns to a property for taxation purpose. So we're going to calculate that. All right, and how we do it is we take the market value of the house, which they tell us is $340,000, and we multiply it by the rate of assessment. Now, again, that's given to you as a percentage. So if we divide 40 by 100, we get that decimal, which we will use, which is 0.40. So we're going to take 340,000 and multiply it by 0.40. So our assessed value is $136,000. Okay. Step number two. Step number two is to calculate the tax rate as a decimal. So remember, the tax rate is given to you in mils, 50.73, but we need to divide that number by 1,000. All right, so if we take 50.73 and divide it by 1,000, we're going to get 0.05073. And then the last step is to actually find the real estate tax. And to do that, you take the tax rate, which we just found, and we multiply it by the assessed value, which we found in the first step. So we would take 0.05073 and multiply it by 136,000. And we would get $6,899.28. So this is how much this person would have to pay in real estate taxes per year. Okay. Now, I'm sure there's a few different options. You could probably pay it once at the beginning of the year. You could probably spread it out over a couple payments. Okay, it's pretty much up to the city that you live in or the county and the person. So we're going to do this again coming up in example 2.